Hey there, welcome back to another edition of Car Talk. In the automotive industry, we get a lot of questions about your vehicle, and some of those questions just go unanswered. But we want to take this opportunity to answer some of the most frequently asked questions that you have submitted to us. I'm Joe Hyde, Director of Automotive Technology, Christian Brothers Automotive. Let's talk cars. Let's take the opportunity to lean on the experience of the Auto Tech team here at Christian Brothers Automotive to answer your questions.
One of the common questions we get is, what is the difference between a wheel alignment and a wheel balance? Wheel alignment are adjustments to your front suspension and steering to ensure that your wheels are straight ahead, and when you're driving down the road with the steering wheel centered, you are tracking in a straight path and not drifting off to the left or right. A wheel balance is performed to your wheel and tire assembly to account for any imperfection or imbalance within the tire or wheel. This will help to ensure that you don't have any abnormal vibrations or noises heard while driving down the road coming from the wheel and tire.
One of the frequently asked questions that we get is, how often should you do a wheel alignment or balance your tires? In my opinion, you should go about every 6 months for your wheel alignment or about 8,000 for your wheel balance. But then again, it is always best to follow the manufacturer's recommendations by the owner's manual to get those services complete.
Here at CBA, we're often asked, how often do you need to change your air filter? And really, that all depends on your driving, but most of the time you want to refer to your manufacturer's recommendation. And when you look at the service schedule of most manufacturers, it's every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. We recommend that you have it checked at every oil change interval, and your service technician will advise you on the recommended replacement.
One of the common questions that we get asked a lot is how far and how fast I can drive on my spare tire. We recommend for you to look at the side of the tire. If it's a miniature or a donut style tire, it'll tell you on there the max mileage, whether it's 40 miles or 50 miles, and the max speed that you can drive. We also always recommend to refer to your owner's manual for your manufacturer recommendations.
Here at Christian Brothers, we often get asked, what is the right motor oil for my vehicle? Inside your vehicle is an owner's manual, and inside that owner's manual, it will tell you what oil weight and viscosity plus synthetic or regular oil you should use for your vehicle. This is often extremely critical because most engines are designed for a certain oil weight and viscosity for that particular engine.
Another question we're often asked at CBA is, does a clogged or dirty air filter affect your AC or your fuel mileage? Typically, we don't see concerns with your AC with a clogged air filter, but it will in fact affect your fuel mileage. A clogged air filter can actually affect your fuel mileage up to 3 to 4 miles per gallon. So you want to make sure that you're having your air filter checked and serviced at least every other oil change. These are just some of the many questions we get here at Christian Brothers Automotive. And I'd like to encourage you to reach out to your local Christian Brothers if you have questions that we didn't cover here today. I'm Joe Hyde, and this has been another Car Talk moment.